how to download free music from YouTube in MP3 format. In this video, I'll show you how to download free music from YouTube in MP3 format using YouTube's audio library. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the left sidebar and click on Audio Library. Here, you'll find a large collection of copyright-free music and sound effects provided by YouTube. These tracks are free to download and can be used in your content, depending on the license information provided for each track. You can preview any song by clicking the play button. If you find one you like, simply click the download button next to it. The music file will be downloaded directly to your device in MP3 format. That's it. You've successfully downloaded free music from YouTube's audio library. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.